Hi designers! In this video, I'll teach you how to create a modern letter poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350.
Select the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle of the artboard size. Change its color to the dark blue.
Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection of press Ctrl+, or go to the Object menu and lock the selection. Select the Type tool and type the letter. In my case, I choose the letter S in capital. Change its font to Bond Script, regular. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline.
Then adjust its size and shift it slightly to the right. Follow my steps here. After that, go to the Object menu, Path, and Offset Path. Set Offset to 50 and hit OK. Go to the Edit menu and click on Cut, and then Paste in front.
Now select the Eraser tool, double-click on it, the setting pop-up will appear, follow My Settings, then hold the Alt button and erase the half part of it. Select the half parts of the design and make Compound Path. Then go to the File menu and click on Place. Select your image and place. Right-click on it, arrange and send backward. Hold the Shift button to select both. Right-click on it and choose Make Clipping Mask. Select the image with the help of the Direct Selection tool and adjust its position and size. Now select the half white of the S and apply the gradient tool to it. Follow my setting and my steps here.
Now select the Type tool and type your text. Follow my text settings. When you finish of the text settings, now we can play with background design. Go to the line segment tool and then draw the lines. You follow me here? When you finish of the text settings, now we can play with background design. Go to the line segment tool and the draw the lines. You follow me here?
Create a bar rectangle, then apply the same gradient color. Follow my steps.